Hello my dear students.
Yeah, we welcome to NEET World.
Yes, so in this session we will be discussing about Telangana EAPSET 2025 counseling process. Not exactly counseling process but about marks versus rank versus colleges. Yes, so this session will be helpful. So what is your rank and where you are falling and which college you can expect.
Obviously.
So this kind of clarity you are going to get from this particular video. Okay, so watch it till the end. I know this will be definitely helpful for you.
Obviously,
so
it will
just focus till the end of the session. Okay, so here
So here we are going to discuss about like Telangana State Engineering, Agriculture and Medical Common Entrance Test.
Yes.
Okay, that is like for MPC stream we are discussing like physics, chemistry and mathematics.
Yes, so it means this session is exclusively for engineering students.
Yeah, obviously,
yes.
sir.
So here, see,
Yeah.
like within few minutes, I will be providing you completely marks versus
Rank,
college.
yeah.
I mean rank versus
College, yeah.
Okay, so just let us look into this. First of all, what are the
Like
top 10 colleges?
Yeah, top 10 college we'll discuss.
Yes. So sir, tell me sir, what are the top 10 colleges here we have?
Like first,
Yes.
if you see sir, like JNTU College of Engineering Hyderabad,
Yes.
sir.
So JNTU Hyderabad we have. See,
So if we see opening rank, sir, it's like 362 and the closing rank like for JNTU is 4,984, like approximately 5,000 we can
5,000,
keep it, sir.
yes.
So if we see the fee structure, it's like 2,10,000 approximately we can say.
so after that we have CBIT, VNR. So all these colleges are top colleges we are considering within the Hyderabad, Telangana region. Okay. So now these are their opening ranks and these are their closing ranks.
Yeah,
Right
when
now,
I
sir?
talk about
Yes.
CBIT, sir, its
Yes.
opening rank is like 524.
Yes.
So approximately 500 to approximately 1,500, sir.
Yes,
So
1,500,
when we
yeah.
discuss now, sir, like 300 to 5,000.
Yeah.
So in this itself, the categories itself will come. Like
Again, yes.
if we take for OC or BC or SC or ST,
Yes,
so
yes.
some particular seats will be allocated in this, sir.
Yes, sir. And you know, so this is exclusively about
CSE branch.
This data is belongs to CSE
Yeah.
branch. Okay, and you know, for every branch, again, these ranks will be varies.
Yeah, sir.
Okay?
Like if you see, no, sir, like if you get around 300 to 500,
Yeah.
CSE will be easy for JNTU, sir.
Yes, yes,
But
yes.
if you get around like 5,000,
Yeah.
they will be get some seats in CBIT also.
Yes.
Yeah.
Again, so see, as number of counseling process increases, stage
Yeah.
1, stage phase 1, phase 2, like that.
Yeah.
So till the final phase, you can opt the best
colleges.
college you want.
Yeah.
The dream college you are expecting.
Next one.
Yeah. See, now what we are going to do is, see, you have seen here, these are the list we have provided now. So now I will be giving you complete list. Okay. So in this complete list, you are going to have the complete data about all the colleges and also marks, I mean rank versus the college you can
colleges,
expect
yeah.
and branch you can expect. So here,
So you can
will
open
be,
that, sir. Like
Yeah.
one more thing, like whenever you are going for college, no, first you need to write the exam. Yeah, you have done. You need to see the rank. Yeah, that's done.
Yes.
Then what you should do, sir? Like they need to get the documents ready, like
Yes,
for
yes.
verification.
Yes,
sir.
yes, yes.
Then, sir.
Then see, you have to make your academic documents ready
Yeah,
first.
yeah.
It means you have finished your 11th and 12th,
12th, yeah.
so that short memo, whatever the memos you can get, so that you need to keep it ready. And along with that, since it is a state level entrance exam,
Okay.
you need to keep your caste certificate ready.
Obviously,
whether
sir.
whether
Then
you are belongs to
OC, BCA,
yeah.
BCB, BCC,
Again,
yeah.
OC again EWS certificate.
Yeah,
if
obviously it is
yes.
there.
Yeah. So like that. Again for BC, BCA, BCB
Sir, you
category
forgot
wise-
one thing, sir.
Yes. Sir.
Sir, before going into this, sir, they need to choose what course they need, no, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
So they have to maintain
Obviously.
the clarity of the
Which course they need?
I mean
Yeah.
which branch they
Yeah.
required, and you know few students are having some dream college also.
Yeah, obviously, sir.
Yes.
Dream college and dream course like CSE. Yeah, obviously, if we talk about people like boys now, like they will go for obviously for mechanical, no, sir. Yeah.
Few students are there, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Again, it depends on individuals.
Yeah, obviously, it depends on
so
individual.
so now in this particular Excel sheet, if you see here we have institute names. Okay.
That is first one JNTU.
JNTU Hyderabad, we have. This is a institute which is Hyderabad.
Yes, sir. They
based,
can
right?
give the branch like we are
Yeah.
discussing about CSE, obviously.
Yeah. So
yeah.
see here if you look into this college type, this is university, right? And you know, branches here, if you see
CSE.
properly, CSE we have.
CSM is there.
CSM we
What
have.
is about CSM, sir?
So this is about computer science engineering.
Okay.
Generally everyone knows this. And here you know CSM, computer science and engineering with
So,
artificial
learning, like
intelligence and
machine learning. Okay.
Yes. AIML we
Okay.
can say. Okay. So for these are the opening ranks for OC boys. Okay.
Like around we can keep like 900. sir.
900
Yeah.
to 1695.
Okay.
Yes. So these are the opening ranks for
Boys,
boys as
okay.
well as girls.
Girls.
And the next we have again for BC category, BCA, these are the ranks, opening ranks. Okay, boys, and the next girls. Like this, we have given complete list. See this list. You might be having how these guys got this list. Yes. So you can also access this list from official website of Telangana
Telangana.
EAP portal.
Yes,
okay?
sir, obviously.
So this data
one more
is
thing, like if you're not getting able to get it, no, like we'll give in the description box. You
yes.
can access that.
Yes.
Yeah.
So guys, so where to check this? So you can directly go through. I will show you that thing also. So you just go through your browser. Okay. So in the browser you just type it as
tgeapset.nic.in.
Yes. Otherwise you just type Telangana EAPSET TGEAPSET 2024.
Yeah.
Yes.
So,
that will
whatever
direct
we
you.
are discussing, no, like it's like previous year.
Yes,
and we
yes.
are
Yeah.
how we can compare for upcoming year.
Yes.
Yeah.
So by using the previous year data, you can expect which college you can get based on your rank. Okay. So if you go through that website, this will be the page you can be directed. So there you will be having list for first round, second round, final round. This is for MPC
And
as
this
well
is
as
for by PC also
Yes.
is given.
Okay, if any one of your friends are from BPC background,
And
they
then
can
you can
also
refer
check
them,
from here.
yeah.
Okay, so directly you can get, if you click on this, the page Excel sheet will be downloaded. From that, you can get complete data
About
whatever
them.
we have shown you in this Excel sheet. Okay, so now you need to understand this Excel sheet very clearly. That see, that will be randomly it will be given. So you need to arrange these ranks, arrange this college wise ranks.
Go.
From small to big. So it will be given very randomly, sir.
Yeah, obviously, sir.
Like 20,000, 30,000 will be at the top. Some randomness it will be
But
there.
college,
Yeah.
which rank is given, they have provided like this.
Yes.
And one more thing, like if you want to know about the fee structure, no, the fee
Yes.
structure also is given.
Yes,
Like
yes,
for
yes.
JNTU, like it is given like 50,000 for CSE.
Yes,
for
yes.
CSM, it is like 1 lakh.
Yes, sir.
Mm.
So it is, I think, academic fees. I mean,
Obviously, like
1 year, right?
1 year, sir.
Yes.
Approximately they have given,
Yes,
sir.
yes, yes.
It may
So-
vary for this year.
Yeah. So guys, I hope you got complete clarity. Like for each branch they have mentioned here. So along with that branch, so they are giving particular rank, their OC, BC rank up
This is
to
the
what
opening
you
rank
can-
or closing
Yes.
rank. With, yeah.
Yes. So particularly what rank they can expect up
Yeah.
to what rank. Yes. So whatever the category you belongs to, if you belongs to
BCB boys,
so if
BCB
you,
girl.
yeah, BCB boys, just click on that. So you can just, if you are getting rank around 10,000, so just go through 10,000. Yes. So here is your 10,000 rank. See, these are all falls under 10,000.
Yeah.
So now, based on this 10,000 rank,
So
now
which college you can
Yes.
choose? Yeah,
Yeah.
here it's given. Like it is 39. Yeah. So when I go for the 39, like Vasavi College of Engineering, CVR
yes.
College of Engineering.
Yes.
So G Narayanamma Institute of Technology.
Yeah. See, Narayanamma again for, this is only for women's,
Yeah.
not for men's. Okay. So now, so if you are a boy looking for best engineering college,
You
now
can
you
go
got
for
this Vasavi
Vasavi,
college, right?
yeah.
So around Vasavi, what are the top colleges above and below? So
you
like
can choose
that,
that. You
like
can-
that, you can make a list of at least 50 to 100 colleges.
Obviously, sir, if they can make a list in that,
Yes.
they can allocate what rank that college comes.
Yeah. So by using this, what we are going to suggest you is, so here, first of all, you need
So
to plan
plan.
your EAPSET 2025 counseling procedure.
Yeah.
It
Second
means,
thing.
it
Yeah.
means list the colleges
Yeah,
for web
obviously.
options. It requires almost
100 to 150
150
colleges.
Okay. So how can you make this list? I
So
told
by
you, no?
seeing the rank,
Yeah.
top college and bottom colleges.
Yes. Like that, around it should be 100 to 150
So
colleges.
one
you
more
need to
thing,
make.
sir. Why we need to go for the top college? Any idea about that?
Yes,
Sir?
so we can expect best quality of education.
And yeah, one more thing, like sir, like the top college, if you choose, no, like some people will be opted out.
Yes.
In those cases, like the seats will be vacancy.
Yes,
So you
yes.
can go into that seats also.
Yes,
Yeah.
of course, there is that possibility also
Yeah.
there, sir. And you know, so while making your list of colleges, you need to focus on your branch, whether that branch is available in that particular college.
Obviously, sir.
And you know that branch is really good in that college or not. Yes, all this data you
This
should
is
be
the
connected.
important thing. Like some college will be good for some particular
Yes.
branches.
Yes, sir. Okay, so,
So
like
next
that
one,
you
next
can
one
make.
is like plan your branch, like whatever example like CSE, mechanical, ECE, civil,
Yes.
aerospace,
Yes.
etc.
So after this, I hope you can make a list of colleges. For example, your rank is around some 9k, okay, 9,000. So what are the top colleges you can expect for?
Yeah.
If you are belongs to CSE, if you wanted to dreaming for CSE from top colleges, yes, definitely you are going to get a good college with this rank.
Yeah, obviously,
okay?
sir.
So you need to make a list of top colleges which are possible with this rank using the data which we provided in Excel sheet. Now you might be having a doubt that how can we access this Excel sheet? Yes, you can go through the official website. I told you that is a one option.
Yeah.
If you are really facing difficulty to do all those things, so now
Link will be there
we
in the
will be
description.
providing in the description.
Yeah.
You can collect from there. If not, that is also difficult. At the end of this session, now itself I will be showing you. So look here. This
There
is
is
our
a Telegram
Telegram group. Okay. So you just scan this. So bring your phone and scan this. So this, whatever the link you are getting after this, that will direct you to, if you click on that, that will direct you to Telegram
channel.
Okay, so you can join there. Just type the Excel sheet or the college data.
Yeah,
rank
you will
versus
get it.
college data. So you type there. So someone from our team will provide you the data. Okay, or you can directly contact to this number. Okay, so these are the multiple options you have. So whatever the easiest one you feel, you can get it data
Obviously,
from
sir.
that. Yes.
And one more thing, like if you want more data, no, like about any particular things, so you can go through the like link button. I mean bell icon. You can click that. You will get the update on time.
Yes. So what we are suggesting you is, see, for next few days, it means till the counseling process is going on for you for EAP set.
We will help you.
We will help you with providing best content here,
Obviously, sir.
best information that is required for you. Yes, if you are really required any particular information to be discussed, you can write in the comment box also. That will be covered in the upcoming sessions or through the short videos. So in order to get that latest update from us, so you just need to do what? Just click on subscription button and
Click
you can
the
answer.
bell icon.
That's
So you will get the
Yes.
proper updates on time.
yeah. One more thing, sir.
Yes,
What
sir.
is the main thing we need to suggest them?
Yes, sir. Document.
Yeah.
The document you should keep ready. Like
Yes.
a proper document, keep on time. Then you can access properly.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I hope everything is going well. So if you still having any queries regarding this rank versus the suitable college, you can write in the comment box.
So we will
be
try to
addressing.
help you. Yeah.
So anything to be discussed? Again, guys, one more thing here you can focus here. So from the EAP set, if you see, what are the courses we have in the engineering category?
So
See, we
BTech,
have-
Biomedical Engineering, MPC.
Yes.
For BTech, Paramedical Engineering, MPC.
Yes. Again, this complete data is from official source only.
Yeah.
Okay. So we can have BE,
BE,
BTech,
BTech.
right? After that, there are few other courses which few
They
students
can
are
provide,
not
yeah.
aware. Those
So these are the courses like
these are dairy technology. Might
and
be if you are
BTech,
not
Food Technology,
yes, food technology.
and B Farm
Yes.
for MPC also.
Yeah.
And Farm D for MPC also.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we are going to cover in the upcoming sessions about this dairy technology, food technology content also. It means
Like in a separate video.
yes,
Yeah.
separate video. It means what are the future options you have with that courses? How is your career with this?
And which college is good for
offering
that,
for
yeah.
this courses? Which college is offering? All these things will be covered in the upcoming sessions, right,
Yes,
now,
sir.
sir? Yes. Hope it is clear. Yeah. Hope
Yeah.
the session is really helpful for you.
Obviously, it will be helpful, sir.
So thank you for watching. So stay connected with us.
Yeah. Thank you.